how to compare two sheets side by side. Let's get started. Suppose I have a file containing sheets for 2020 and another for 2023. I want to compare the 2020 sheet with the 2023 one, both within the same file. How can I do that? Let's see. Firstly, what I'll do is try to create a duplicate file. I'll just navigate to the View tab. In the View tab, if you notice, there's an option called New Window. So I'll click on this new window on my taskbar. I now have two open files. Yes, these are two separate files. So now I have two files, although they originate from the same option. Now I want to compare these two files. Essentially, these are one, but duplicates have been created. Now, how do I compare them? I'll go to the View tab. If you notice, there's an option for View Side by Side. Now, they're shown side by side, but if you observe, they're displayed horizontally. I don't want them horizontally. I want them in a vertical format. So to have them in a vertical format, I'll go to the View tab, Arrange All, and specify to arrange them not horizontally but in a vertical manner. Then I'll click OK. So now if you see, these are two files. They're side by side, but I want to compare the 2020 sheet with not 2020 but with the 2023 sheet. So 2020 and 2023, if I scroll through any of the file, you'll see what happens. Now you can easily compare. When you go to the right-hand side, the other file also changes. The reason is, if you notice here, when I click on View Side by Side, there was an additional option clicked, Synchronous Scrolling. Now what does synchronous scrolling do? If you scroll one file, the other file will automatically scroll. Now if I type something here, let's say in this place, I'm typing in 2020, cell D1, I'll type Excel and press Enter. I'll close this file. If you notice, it won't ask you to save, but the changes were saved in the other one and in the same file. So I'll click on this 2020, and if you see cell number D1, the text is there, Excel. Now if I close this file, it will ask if do you want to save changes. So these are two files that were created. The other file was temporary, but the primary file is this one. So let's go ahead and save this file. Thanks for watching.